Hi, welcome to How to Repair. In this video I'm going to show you how to change a WM series door hinge and door handle and how to take the door off and separate the door to replace the parts. In the next video I'll also be showing you how to replace the WMB series. This can apply to all Beko brands, which you can see in the tutorial at the website, and all the parts are available. Okay, first things first, always unplug the machine from the electricity supply. It's a good idea that you peel back the door seal before starting any work, for the simple reason being is the bracket that actually holds the hinge in place might fall inside the machine. So using a flat blade screwdriver, just ease off the spring, peel back the door seal, and now you'll be able to hold the back of the hinge and the plate while undoing the screws. Once you've undone the screws, the hinge lifts up and comes away. Now this back plate can come off and it just slots in, as you can see there. It's just a plate and it's held in with a couple of clips. Okay. Right, the first thing we need to do is remove all the screws around the outside, but first I'm going to do the catch to get the door lock clip or latch pin out of the way. Now this comes up, push it away slightly, twist it, and then it comes away. This is the pecker or pin system. You can see the spring sits in a groove here and the pin goes through. These are difficult to fit, and the actual arm of the pecker unit or pin fits underneath the handle, and this is the bit that normally breaks. So you need to lift it up and that will come towards you. And remember, this part is what fits under the door handle here, and it is quite difficult to get back in. So we'll just take that off. Now we'll remove the rest of the screws. Just use a flat blade screwdriver, go down in the crack, and the front part will come up. Now at this point it's worth putting a marker on the glass so you know where it comes from, because so many people put these back together and they have the glass the wrong way round. The glass is chamfered to allow the clothing to fall back in the drum. So we'll lift that away. Now you've got the hinge, which you could replace if your hinge was broken. That's fine, and also the handle's fine, but I'm just showing you how to do this. Now this comes away upwards on both sides and then can come out. Now you're able to take the pins out, replace them with the new one, and then reinsert it. So this comes up in, and then carefully make sure you get the pins aligned, and it should drop down flush. So we'll drop the hinge back on, put the glass back on with your marker. Now we'll drop the cover on. Now at this point it's worth putting the outer screws in to get the case tight. And once you've got two in, you can just twist the glass just to make sure it's locked in place. don't over tighten the screws. Right, getting this into place is sometimes quite difficult, so let me explain. This goes underneath the door handle, just slides in, but our problem being is we've got to put the spring on and also get the pin through, and we need to get these ends of the spring lined up in the two location lugs on either side. So we've got to drop that down and under. I don't know if I can show you that. Once you've got the spring onto the flat and the pin under, we can then slide the whole thing forward. Just need to move the other side slightly. And then move the pin into the center, and then it will drop down. And that is correctly fitted. It will take you a couple of goes when you haven't done it before. It's even difficult for myself. Then this twists, comes down underneath, and then we can put the two screws in. To put the door on, it's pretty straightforward. You might need to hold the plate at the back. You've got two location lugs. These are normally the bits that either break or the hinge breaks here. They are quite sturdy. Put it on and then drop it down. Once she's dropped down, she should hold in place. Peel the seal back. Make sure it's all going round correctly. Line the spring up with where it came out. Then I normally put flat blade screwdriver just round that bit, just while I stretch it over. And there we go. I hope you found this video helpful. Do remember to buy the parts off us. There is another tutorial at the website showing you how to change the WMB series, which is a later model. I hope you found this video helpful, and thanks very much indeed for watching. You can always support the website by clicking on the Buy Paul Revere page. Thanks for watching.